Hello students, today we will learn word processor and introduction, third lesson. Okay, so word processor and introduction. In this lesson we are going to learn features of MS Word 2010, starting MS Word, components of Microsoft Word 2010, creating a new document, entering text in a document, selecting text in a document, adding new text, moving the text, copying the text, saving a document, printing a document, opening a document, closing a document, and at last exiting MS Word. Okay, so first let me start Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word 2010 means MS Word. MS means Microsoft. Okay, short form of MS. Okay, MS means Microsoft. So first of all, we will see what is the use of this Microsoft Word. So this Microsoft Word is mainly used for word processing in the sense for creating letters, reports, notices. Okay, so that type of documents can be created by using this application Microsoft Word. So how to open and all I will show you later. Okay, so this introduction part is given here. Microsoft Word is a word processing software. This application, this Microsoft Word, is a word processing software. As we use a notebook to write words and sentences, in the same way we can use MS Word to type the text on a computer. Okay, we all are using notebooks for writing. Okay, so we are writing and we are keeping. Okay, same way in a computer, if you want to write something, in that case you can use this application, you can use this software. Okay, so this is good software for editing, formatting and all. Microsoft Word is a word processing software, and we can make our text or document more attractive by using the features of this application. A word processor is an application software that helps us to type, edit and format the text. So this software helps us to type means, so directly here, for example, let me type here Microsoft Word is word processing. For typing you can use this software. Okay, so just I typed one sentence. Afterwards you can edit means you can make the changes for this text. So let me add one more sentence. So as we use a notebook to write words and sentences. Okay, so let it be till here. So here red underline is showing. So let me type it. So this software now you can use for typing. You can edit means you can make the changes in this. Then you can format means you can change the appearance of this text, like you can make it bold, you can make it italic, you can make it underline, you can increase the size, then you can increase the style of a text. Okay, then you can change the color of this text by using color option. If you want to make it strikeout text, you can make it strikeout, you can remove. Or if you want to set double underline, you can set a double underline, dotted underline and zigzag underline. Okay, so this is all changing the appearance. You can make your text more attractive by using this application. Okay, so here I am going to end this session. So in the next class we will see what are the features of Microsoft Word 2010. So this is 2010 application. Understood? In a 2007 version, what happened? So here file tab was there, not there. Okay, now these all are tabs: home, insert, page layout and all. And this is menu. Okay, so file menu was not there in a 2007 version, and in a 2010 version they added file menu. So in a 2007 version, here in the place of file, office button was there. Okay, a round office button was there. So this file was replaced with that office button. So then as usual, so these layouts are present in a 2007 version also and in a 2010 version also. So here this is the 2010 what we are learning and what I am using. So this is the 2010 version of Microsoft Word. Okay, so thank you for watching. Next class we'll meet. Okay, thank you for watching.